Tunaongea about Tris. Tris. Oh, she's too fast. The fastest female in Kenya. She's beating us, the boys.
That morning of the rest days when you feel like you want to shit, diarrhea, vomit, you have malaria, COVID, all the mixture of things.
To be fast, you need to be a kidogo crazy.
Welcome to this channel. My name is Tris, and today you're going to learn about me. I'm a chick and I race for Beth racing team. I do not like blowing my own trumpet, but I tend to win a lot. I found myself in all the podiums since I started racing last year. I race on the Sport 200 class, which is any bike below 299. It's not a women's race, it's a women and men race, so all of us, we are like on the same line, you know. So yeah, and I win. You know, I used to become second, and then I became third this time around. But yeah, these things you try, you lose sometimes, you win sometimes, but being on the podium, you win anyways, you know. So yeah.
Man, this girl, the first race, I remember Savannah Trophy, yeah? Usilimoran, 2020 season. I went on track, expecting to beat Tris, to overlap her, not even beat her. Lakini, man, nilitandikwa, nikatoroka hiyo class. I race 100cc sasa, not 250.
You see, my boss called Raul, who is also our team manager, he challenged me to this. He says, Tris, you know, you're very fast. I'm like, yeah, I am. I ride quite fast. Like, but it's not official. The only way to make it official is by racing and actually show people that you're the fastest.
The fastest woman are gonna be you. Not I know. Because you're the craziest also. Yeah, to be fast you need to be a kidogo crazy. You can't be afraid. And this one is not afraid, so it don't matter the bike you have, she has a good bike. But even if somebody else buys the same bike, she still needs to be unafraid like she is.
I had to lose a lot of weight. I wasn't this small. I used to be 85 kgs, so I had to like go down to the 60s, 65 thereabout. And then yeah, I started racing last year in September, and yeah, so it's official that I'm the fastest woman 2020, and I think 2021 if no one challenges me. Yeah. Well, first it can be challenging that morning of the race days when you feel like you want to shit, diarrhea, vomit, you have malaria, COVID, all the mixture of things. You're always so tensed up. Why if you see me in that state, you can just, because it's always, you see men over there, they're all masculine and bulky, they come like this, so Tris, I'm gonna today. And then I'm like, oh my God, I did nothing to offend you. Yeah, but it's always very challenging, but as long as you race your own race, that's what you're always told every time you're about to start the race. You're like, Tris, race your own race, do your own lines, you just focus on the track, don't worry about anyone else, don't care who's behind you, don't care about who's in front of you, just do your own thing. And yeah, and that thing actually works, and I end up winning. There are two males that are in front of me. Last year it was Konain. This year Evans took the second podium and I got the third. But yeah, I'm always in between the second and the third. Yeah, I've never been number one, but I'm really pushing for that position. I hope one day I will. I'm actually working towards it, not hope.
There's people who are special because they have some particular advantages. In the case of Tris, she's a woman, and people are assuming that woman you can kick. And that was happening on the first race. People went to kick this chick, and the chick kicked them. And that was pretty nice.
She's too fast. The fastest female in Kenya. She's beating us, the boys. I should go copy some notes now that we are here.
Nice.
On a good day, she does 115. On a bad day, she does 117. And there's no woman who does that.
I eat bikes, sleep bikes, ride bikes, as in my life is just about bikes, and I decided my work should be also fun. Yeah, and we have a dealership in Westlands. It's called Trees Motorcycles. That's where we sell bikes for beginners. If you're trying to start out, etc., we are all our bikes are beginner friendly. And we also have a training school where you come, we teach you how to ride, and if you need also race practice lessons, we can also train you on that if you're interested. And yeah, and also in our school you get a license after your class, that kind of thing. We also sell gear, we also do motorcycle financing. I mean, if you think about bikes, think about trees, literally. Yeah, you'll see my website. I'll drop my number over there. You can follow me on Instagram. I also have a YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Daniel, for inviting me in your channel to talk about bikes and to talk about myself. And if you guys don't know me, I'm simply the lady who you can ask anything about motorcycles and she'll surely answer. Yeah, thank you so much for inviting me to Starlin Bikers. Make sure you also follow this channel and yeah, and subscribe and hit the notification bell.